What if I told you you can predict which areas will shoot up in price years before it happens? Hello and welcome back to MBTV. I'm your host Shamshabad. In this video, along with a real estate expert, we will decode the 5 market trends that can help you spot the next high growth locality. So let us dive into this video and understand what are these market trends so that you can invest before the prices explode.
If you have any metro line or expressway or any kind of flyover which is already under construction, the demand normally tends to surge even before the project is complete. People like to lock the prices before the accessibility boost hits in. For example, if you look into Hyderabad, as soon as the outer ring road was announced, the prices in that particular locality surged up heavily. A top tier developer doesn't enter a market randomly. They enter with years of study about that location, the land prices, the future growth potential, and that is when they like to enter into a particular locality. So the initial pre-launch prices of those projects itself becomes a benchmark for the whole market. For example, if you look at Nallagandla as a location, Aparna, a big developer, a reputed developer who entered Nallagandla first, actually increased the prices in and around, and the demand increased thereof. Similarly, if you look at Shamshabad today, Prestige City came in. After Prestige City, the locality in and around again started developing, the prices went up, and today you have Godrej, you have Aparna, you have a lot of other developers also entering in that periphery. Commercial growth within a 15 to 20 minutes driving distance. Business park, tech parks, mall, all of this means one thing: jobs. And jobs indirectly increases the housing demand, which in turn actually surges up the demand for rental and housing prices. So, for example, if you look at it, locations like Gachibowli Financial District, where a lot of companies came in, companies like Microsoft, TCS, ICICI Bank, and many other new companies which has come in, actually surged the demand or the pricing for the housing in that locality. And today the rentals in that particular locality remains to be the highest in Hyderabad. 2 BHK rents out at somewhere around 55-60,000 in that location, which as per Hyderabad standards or any good city standards is quite high. If a location is 20% cheaper than the nearby hot location, very expensive location, and if the connectivity and the lifestyle potential remains the same, that particular gap would very likely close within a matter of time, and the early buyers tend to get an advantage out of the investments out there. For example, High-Tech City came in first in Hyderabad, and then you had a similar kind of a infrastructure in Gachibowli which was coming up, Financial District, and that gap closed in. So today High-Tech City and Financial District are more or less at the same kind of a pricing, and after Financial District the next destination is Kokapet. A simple change in zoning, a simple reclassifying in zoning can impact the market in a big way, like a change of a land to commercial usage, or relaxing FSI norms. This would actually impact the prices in that particular location in a big way, and this price can actually flip overnight. The only catch is that you should spot the change before everyone else does. For example, if you look at Neopolis as a location and the surrounding areas, as soon as the government relax the FSI norms out there, builders flocked to buy land there, and that increased the demand and pricing, and the prices in that particular location hit the ceiling.
In the end, let me remind you that these are just signs and not guaranteed signals. The real estate market goes through its own phases of unpredictability, and it is always referred that you do your own market research. Let us know how you liked the video in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to MBTV. This is Shreya signing off from Hyderabad with camera person Raghu.